Hi, I'm Amos with Ramco, here to demonstrate the PFUW series clamp-on flow sensor from SMC. With conventional flow sensors, you must do plumbing work to install the sensor. This means shutting off the piping and messy, inconvenient work to replace or repair the sensor. However, the PFUW eliminates this with its clamp-on design. Mounting the sensor is as easy as wrapping the bands around the pipe and tightening two screws. This makes it perfect for adding flow sensing to existing installations and applications where minimizing downtime is a must. The PFUW can detect a wide variety of liquids, such as water, oil, antifreeze, many chemicals, beverages, and even high pressure fluids. It can sense flow rates from 0 to 26 gallons per minute because there is no risk of clogging or pressure loss. Furthermore, there is also no risk of foreign material entering the pipe from the sensor or installation, and no fluid contact means no material compatibility issues to worry about. As you can see here, the sensor has a digital color display, which can be rotated in 4 orientations, so no matter how it is mounted, it can still be read. The display shows the flow rate on top with a variety of other information to display below, such as the set value, I/O link status, accumulated flow, peak or bottom value, and the line name. The display colors can also be changed for better contrast and readability. Not only does the PFUW display the flow reading, it can also output analog 1 to 5 volts and 4 to 20 milliamps, discrete PNP, and I/O link signals. In this example, I have the PFUW mounted on this pipe supplying hot water from this heater. The display shows the flow rate and the accumulated volume. The sensor is configured to switch a discrete output when the flow rises above a set point of 2 gallons per minute. That will fire this relay and change this indicator light from red to green. You could think of this as if the red light means too little flow and green means adequate flow for some process. The sensor fires its output. This is a very simple case, but the PFUW functions well as part of a standalone system or integrated into a larger PLC-based system. To learn more about PFUW flow sensors from SMC and how they can help your operation, or to ask about custom automation solutions, contact Ramco today.